Hey guys, Robin Marks here from Premium Content Marketer and Next Level Marketing. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do so your ads will not get ghosted on Craigslist. If you're new to Craigslist and you don't know what ghosting is, it's when you go to post an ad and it never shows up. When you go to the index and try to search for your ad, it's never there. And Craigslist will even go to the extent of sending you an email saying that you can go to this link and see your ad, blah, 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 blah. And you go to the link, you can see your ad, but when you go to search for it, it's not there. You got ghosted. And so I'm going to show you what you need to do so you will not get ghosted and you get your ads up every single time. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is you need to download the Firefox browser. If you're using Internet Explorer, if you're using Google Chrome, don't use them. Close out of those browsers. Only use Firefox if you're trying to post on Craigslist, and I'm going to show you why. Now, once you got Firefox installed, what you want to do is come over here to Preferences. Click on Preferences and you need to go to the Privacy tab. If you're in PC, you probably need to go to Firefox, then Tools. It's not Preferences, it's Tools. But if you're on Mac, it's Privacy. It's Preferences, and then you go to the Privacy tab. The main thing is make sure you're on the Privacy tab. The next step, where it says Tracking, tell websites that do not want to be tracked, you want to make sure that is clicked. Okay, every step, follow it to the T because this is very, very important. All right, come down here where it says remove individual cookies. Click on that and you want to remove all cookies. As you can see, I don't have any cookies stored on this browser, but you're going to probably have a lot of websites here, and you want to click on remove all cookies. As you can see, mine isn't highlighted because I don't have any cookies, all right, stored on this browser. So you want to close out of that. Next thing you want to do, all right, you want to click on clear your recent history. All right, this is going to clear all active logins. It's going to clear cache. It's going to clear cookies. It's going to clear your browsing history. You want to clear everything. You want to wipe the slate clean with this browser. Okay, clear now. All right. So the next thing that you want to do, you want to come up here where it says Firefox, remember history. Click the drop down box. See now, first of all, this is here by default. All right, this is when you install it, or if you're just using it casually. Firefox has it set by default. You want to click the drop down box and click on never remember history. Once you've done that, you're good to go when it comes to the browser settings. Go ahead and close out of that. Now I'm going to show you exactly why I said do this. All right, let me come down here. I'm going to go to Tallahassee because I'm going to show you guys an ad example too. All right, so this is an ad that I posted in Tallahassee, I think on Friday or something like that. Not sure, but this is why I said do this. I'm going to click on my account. If you come over here to get ready to log in, as you can see, it says cookies must be enabled. The reason why they're telling you that your cookies must be enabled, because they want to track you. They want to track what you're doing. This is the very first filter that Craigslist uses to track you, and this is where most people get caught up because they're posting multiple ads from the same browser. But if they can't track you, they don't know that you're posting from the same IP address. Well, not IP address, but they don't know that you're posting from the same account. Okay, so you just made sure that your Firefox browser bypassed the filters that Craigslist has set up for its cookies and tracking. All right, so as long as you understand that, you know why we did exactly what we did. So let me go back. The next step, if you're going to be posting multiple ads, you want to have multiple Craigslist accounts. All right, let's just say you start off with 3 or 5 accounts. You want to go to Gmail, create multiple Gmail accounts. Maybe go ahead and create you like 5 Gmail accounts. All right, and then come back to Craigslist, register each and every one of those accounts. Now, in order to register an account on Craigslist, you need to have a phone verification. Okay, once it has a phone verification, that means you have a phone verified account. All right. So in order to get a phone verification, this is what Craigslist implemented like maybe a year and a half ago, early 2011, so they can combat spammers and affiliate marketers and things of that nature on Craigslist. But I'm going to show you exactly what you need. You need to have a phone verified account. Now, the first account, you want to use your own phone. Okay, you're going to put in your phone number when they ask you for that. All right, and then they're going to send a text message with a code, and you put that code into Craigslist. Boom, you got your first phone verified account. Okay, now you got multiple accounts. Remind you. Okay, we just created like 5 different accounts. you can go and ask your friend, hey, I'm trying to create an account on Craigslist. I'm gonna use your phone number real quick. Read me out the code and go ahead, and now you got your second account. You ask your mom, ask a friend, ask whoever. So get your accounts verified. Now, if you don't have anybody that has phones where you can verify an account, there's websites on Google that you can go to. Okay, just Google PVA phone, PVA accounts, PVA Craigslist accounts, anything that's PVA phone verified accounts, or you just type in phone verified accounts and it'll pull up multiple websites that actually sell you phone numbers, so you can go ahead and create those accounts. Okay, so after you got your accounts created, all right, the next things that really kills most people from getting their ad posted on Craigslist is the language and the wording that they use in their ads. So let's go over here. I'm in Tallahassee right now, okay? And where the most of the ghosting happens, where the most of the filters are in the jobs section, okay? I'm gonna show you guys what's going on here. So I'm gonna click on customer service, okay? Craigslist has their little, scam alert, okay? Let's go over here real quick. All right, I'm gonna show you what you need to do so you know what exactly to say inside your ad. All right, all you need to do is just look for somebody that's already posted an ad similar to yours, whether it be business opportunity, a job, or some kind of product or service that they're marketing. Look for somebody that's already posted an ad similar to yours and read exactly what they wrote. Easy, just read exactly what they wrote and copy it. Now you might want to reword it, to fit exactly what it is you're doing. You don't want to copy it for verbatim, but change some of the words, change the format around just a tad bit. But once you do that, okay, you already see that they got their ad past the filter. So all you need to do is just duplicate exactly what they did, change it around a little bit, and then post it with your information inside the ad. That's it. Okay. So now the next thing we're going to talk about, matter of fact, I'm in Tallahassee right now. Okay. And on Friday, May the 11th, I posted an ad here. It says, full-time / part-time will train. Okay. This is an ad that I post on Craigslist. We're going to go ahead and click on this, and I'm going to show you guys an example of something that also gets a lot of people caught up. If you're posting from the same URL, okay, link, multiple accounts all over Craigslist, all different cities, okay, Craigslist is going to ban that URL, okay? So how to prevent that is don't hyperlink your URL. See, right here it says www.parttimeincomesolution.com. This is an ad that I posted, like I said, a day ago. It says parttimeincomesolution.com. I did not hyperlink this. And in order to hyperlink it, you have to have the HTTP in front of this, and I didn't put that. I just put the actual text. Now, because it's not hyperlinked, Craigslist can't track this. Okay, they can't track it. So they don't know what website it's going to or anything like that. The Craigslist robots or whatever that's going on in their algorithm behind the scene cannot track this, okay? So I would suggest no hyperlinking. Now, I have hyperlinked before and my ads have got past the filters, but I choose not to do it so much because I don't want my website to get banned, and I have to go ahead, and if that happens, I have to go ahead and forward another domain, okay? All right, so don't hyperlink inside your ad. Just let people see the website. Usually they'll copy it. They'll copy it like this. If they really want to go there, they'll copy it. Then they'll come up here to their browser and just paste it in. That's what most people will do. And from this one ad that I posted on May the 11th, okay, I've gotten probably about, I haven't really counted, but probably close to 20 leads from this one ad. Just off the top of my head, the figures, because I get the email notifications anytime leads come in. But I've gotten a ton of leads just from this one ad, okay? And there's no hyperlinking in it. So that's important. That's very important. Okay, so I want you guys to see that. So let's go back here to the main Tallahassee page. All right, so now another recommendation, not a recommendation, this is a must. If you're trying to post on Craigslist, okay, no more than 2 ads per day per account. Okay, no more than 2 ads per day per account. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me back up. No more than 2 ads per day. Skip a day. Okay, so if you post 2 ads, let me clear that up real quick for you. I know that was kind of confusing. If you post 2 ads today, okay, you're not posting tomorrow. Okay, you need to skip that next. You need to skip tomorrow and then come back and post the next day. Okay, so if you got multiple ads that you need to post, you need to post those 2 ads, log out of your account, open another one of your Craigslist accounts, and then post 2 more ads in a couple of other cities. Okay, not the same city. Okay, post 2 more ads in a couple other cities. All right, pretty easy. All right, so that's why we have multiple accounts, because usually people are going to post if you're doing any kind of marketing, products, services. You know, you got some job advertising, MLM, whatever it is you're doing on Craigslist and you're advertising for. You want to post multiple ads so you could drive more traffic and get more leads and of course make more sales. All right, so that's why we got all those different accounts. But in any one of those accounts, don't post any more than 2 ads. And I recommend you skip a day and then come back to that account. And if you want to post another ad, then do that. Okay. But, you know, it just depends on how much traffic you're trying to get, what cities that you're posting in, because different cities have different filters. Now, to touch on that real quick, when I say different cities have different filters, okay, if you're trying to post an ad in a city, okay, let's just say we're posting in Tallahassee. Go to Tallahassee and see what other people have posted in Tallahassee that's similar to yours. All right, see other ads that people have posted in Tallahassee that's similar to yours, because obviously they bypass the Tallahassee filters, okay, with that ad. See, I know that one city that's really, really hard to post in is San Francisco. Okay, San Francisco is really, really hard to post in. They got extensive filters in San Francisco. Also, too, San Francisco I think is a paid city. You have to pay $25 just to put an ad up, and you don't have to pay to post anything on Craigslist if you don't want to, because there's plenty of cities out there that you can post your ads in. Okay, there's plenty big cities out there. Give you an example. Okay, Tallahassee, Fresno, California, Jacksonville, Florida. All of those cities are driving major traffic on Craigslist, and if you could post in those cities for free. Okay, so that basically wraps this about up. Okay, if you follow those steps that I just went over, you will get your ad up on Craigslist every single time. The main thing is the Firefox filters and what you're actually saying inside your ad. If you have that stuff set up properly, you are going to win on Craigslist. I promise you. Guys, hopefully you got a lot of value from this video. If you got value from this video, leave a comment, or if there's a place to leave a comment wherever you see this video at, make sure you leave a comment. If you got any kind of questions for me, shoot me a message, leave me a comment. If you want to see what else we got going on in my team and how we're crushing it online, okay, go ahead and click the link down below to get more information about what we're doing, and I'll see you on the next video. Talk to you soon.